Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So in today's video, we have this question where they're saying 6 factorial times 7 factorial is equal to x factorial, right? And we need to solve it for x. Okay. First of all, before starting the question, we should know what factorial is. What is factorial? A factorial of any number. Suppose you have n factorial. You just keep multiplying it with its previous numbers until you get to 1, like n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 up to so on 1, 3 to 1. For example, if you have 3 factorial, that will be equal to 3 times 2 times 1. If you have 4 factorial, that will be equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, right? Similarly, you have 5 factorial, it will be equal to 5 times 4, 3, 2, 1. Like keep multiplying that number with its preceding numbers, okay? So what do we have here in our question? We have 6 factorial and 7 factorial, that is equal to x factorial. If I somehow can make it in factorial of only one number, we have two numbers here. If I can somehow make it n factorial on the left hand side, I do not know what that number will be. N factorial is equal to x factorial. Then we can actually equate and say that x will be equal to n, right? So I need to solve this now. First I'll try to break 6. What is 6? 6 is 6 times 5, 6 factorial. 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, times I do not touch it first. Let us see what do we get with 6 factorial. If I break it, I know 6 can be written as 3 times 2, right? Okay, 5 we have, 4 we have, 3 we have, 2 we have and 1, right? 1 we can ignore. Okay, so if we have this, if I take this 5 with this 2, okay, 5 times 2, okay, I'm just rearranging it, and I take this 3 with 3, what will I get? 3 times 3, okay. If I take this 4 times 2, okay, and 1 I can ignore, right, times 7 factorial, and on the right hand side we have x factorial, right? Okay, what is 5 times 2? 5 times 2 is 10, right? 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 2 is 8, I can write cross as well. Cross 7 factorial. And 7 factorial we know that is equal to 7 times 4 times 6. Okay, like that. So I will tell you one more rule as well. If you get like this, if you get 5 times 4 factorial, that is actually equal to 5 factorial only. Right? How? Because 4, 3, 2, 1 is what? 4 factorial. So 5 factorial can be written as this, 5 times 4 factorial. Okay, 5 times 4 factorial. Here if you see 10 times 9 times 8, and this will give you 7 times 6 times 4, 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, right? So a whole this term can be written as 10 factorial now is equal to x factorial, and you can equate and tell that x will be equal to 10, right? So I hope you understood this, right? That x is nothing but 10. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and you can visit my channel for more such questions. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.